Guys, it's Tanya M and I'm back. Period. Okay, so y'all see I got the different background, trying something different, so bear with me. Today we have a wig review from Unice. They sent me over another Glueless 7x5 closure wig. This one is a body wave and she is 24 inches long. And there's the goodie that they sent with the wig as usual. And here's the cap construction. Same as the last one. It came with the baby hairs, pre-plucked hairline, HD lace, thin as hell. You see right through the lace. The elastic band with the grippies on it so it don't slip off your head. It does have combs too, so if you want the extra security. And look how bouncy she is. So bouncy and shiny. Like, this wig is the bomb already, okay? So let me go ahead and pull my old gray hair back. Y'all see I had to chop my hair off because it was thin due to stress, and now it's growing back and it's just uneven. So I had to even it out some. It's starting to look thicker. My ponytail starting to look thicker. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and put this HD stocking cap on so you can't really see it under the lace. And this is how she looks thrown on. Now, mind you guys, I have a peanut shaped head. So it didn't really lay completely flat on my forehead. But I'm going to fix that. I did try to use an elastic band to see if I could lay it down flat. It kind of worked, but didn't. But we're gonna take care of that later. Now we're going to go ahead and get this wig curled. See how she holds a curl. I did use the Bio Silk serum as a heat protectant for my hair and to keep it from getting frizzy and with the flyaways. And I'm just going to go ahead and section off my hair. I wanted to try this new curling style that I saw on TikTok. And I struggled. I'm not young, okay? Y'all be doing some other stuff, okay? So it basically is how it is. You wrap it around and then go through and then drag it down. They did say the slower you do it, the tighter the curl was. But I don't got time to sit there and do that all day. So what I did is I went back to the old school and got me a barrel curler. And there's my son always in the way, always being crazy. But yeah, that's what the curls look like after I tried it, this new TikTok method. And no, wasn't feeling it. I did want to cut some layers in. I just didn't want to like dragging in my face. So I cut some cute little short layers just to frame my face. And I could do some flippies. And I did that on both sides. I did the other side on TikTok. Speaking of TikTok, go follow your girl. It's Tanya M, TONYAEMM_. That is my Instagram or TikTok and Instagram handle, okay? So after I cut the layers, boom, barrel curls. Never go wrong with the barrel curls, okay? This is just a regular Conair barrel curl that I purchased from Rite Aid, CVS, I can't remember, one of those stores. Works well, had her for a while, and she works just fine, okay? And the curls come out nice and bouncy, okay? I'll get the flat iron curl down, but for this video, it was too late in the day and I was tired. So I'm gonna do it the way I used to do it, okay? So yeah, that's all one side done. This hair is thick. She's 180 density, so it took me a while to curl the whole thing. And this is the curls, you know, combed out with my fingers. They did drop. But, hey, I don't know. That could have just been me because, you know, I'm not really good at all the curl and everything. But stay tuned for my final thoughts. Okay, guys, I'm back. Thanks for watching the install. A little bit more about the wig. She is a 7x5. She is 24 inches. The one I'm wearing is 24 inches. This is how long she comes down on me. And in the back, I am 5'2", so 24 inches on me is really long. I did have some issues with the lace laying down here. I think it's just the way my head is shaped. I have a peanut shaped head, but I just added a swoop in the middle and that took care of that problem. She's still completely glueless, so you could definitely wear her as a glueless wig. She is 180 density, so she's a very thick wig. Or, well, she's like a regular density. I guess some people consider 180 regular. I consider it thick. 200 I can't do. It looks too wiggy on me because it's too thick. But I have a small head again. So for me, she is a good density. And the hair is very soft. I'm not the best at curling. But, so I don't know. I can't really say if she held the curl right or not. But you could be the judge of that because you saw what I did. But yeah, it looks really nice. I love it. It's soft. Yeah, I'm like more of like a straight hair girl anyway, so that's probably how I'll be wearing a wig. This lace is really thin, so you can see my wig cap right here. So there's like a HD lace going on, so be aware of that. You might want to wear a ball cap method, you know, before doing this. But yeah, highly recommend getting her. Most of these wig companies nowadays do offer like the payment plan options, like a Afterpay, Affirm, Klarna, just to name a few. So go and see which one they offer. It will be linked in the description box below. If you want to see more videos or reels and photos of this wig, please follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Links will be down in the description box. And just so you guys know, FYI, I do resell some of the wigs that I review, or most of the wigs that I review. And you can find them on my 1111 Beauty website, and it will be linked down in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so y'all be notified anytime I upload new content. Thanks for watching. Bye.